In this project, we ask if objects made of plastic materials can be connected to the internet without batteries and electronics. Imagine if you could attach a 3D printed sensor to your Tide bottle that detects when detergent is running low and automatically orders refills with your smartphone. Our technique, printed Wi-Fi, allows 3D printed plastic objects to send data wirelessly to any Wi-Fi receiver, like a smartphone. Using ambient Wi-Fi from any Wi-Fi router, our 3D printed devices either absorb or reflect Wi-Fi signals to convey a 0 or a 1. At the core of our design is a switch which is attached to a spring. A plastic gear presses against the spring, which makes contact with the 3D printed antenna made of conductive filament. When the switch makes contact with the antenna, the signal transitions quickly in amplitude. We create an anemometer to measure wind speed. Here, we see the raw time domain signal. Note the transitions as the gear rotates. We also create a flow meter to measure water speed. We construct input widgets, including a button, knob, and slider. With these techniques, we enable a rich ecosystem of talking objects.